Good evening everyone, it's Anna from Kingsbridge Performance and 4x4 introducing you to our new Interstock BMW M5. This is the V8 competition. It's a 2020 car with 28,000 miles on it and it's finished in this absolutely stunning bluestone grey. It's the V8 competition automatic X-Drive with 625 brake horsepower and the paint on it is immaculate. It's full BMW service history and one of the best specs we've ever seen. It's so nice. Let me just show you around it. Got these lovely gold brake calipers on, are they 20-inch wheels, Luke? 21s. Gloss black wheels. 360 cameras, privacy glass. It's got everything. Of course, you can see there your carbon fibre roof, absolutely stunning. Gloss black trims. Oh, the 20, sorry. 20-inch gloss black alloys. Again, carbon fibre trims, which looks super, super smart on. And like I said, this car has loads and loads of spec. Let me show you around it. Again, gloss black trims there. Paint is like glass. I would also recommend getting a ceramic put on it, just to preserve the paint. Get it looking really good. You can see there the camera at the front, got the gloss black grille, and for a 4-year-old car it is in really, really good condition, as you'll see inside as well. It's got the sun protection glazing, electric memory seats, Harman Kardon sound system, ambient lighting throughout, so that's changeable as well and adaptable to whatever you like. Your multi-function heated steering wheel as well. Let me show you inside. Full digital dash. And you'll see there the mileage, just a touch over 28,000 miles. Loads and loads of features on these, of course. Keyless entry, start and stop. You see there your 360 camera, park assist and everything. Of course, you've got Apple CarPlay, your usual Bluetooth connectivity, and all your standard phone apps as well as having your sport display. You can change the display on the driver's screen as well. The good thing about the BMWs is you can literally adapt things exactly to how you want. So even like your safety features here, you can configure them to how you want. So whether it's lane assist that you're looking for or the emergency braking, you can turn things on, you can turn things off. Of course, it's got heated seats, 3-zone climate control. And the interior is in really, really nice condition. All the leather has been really, really well looked after. No rips or tears or anything awful like that. It is lovely, as you can see. Absolutely stunning condition. A real performance car as well. You've got your sports exhaust there. You can see it, my camera focuses. Your configurable driving modes. Of course, you've got standard sat nav and everything like that as well. Your memory seat settings there on the back. Got to put it in park. Your M5 embroidered luxury carpet mats as well. This car's been really well looked after. It's never been smoked in, not been ragged about or anything. You can certainly tell when you get one of these cars in that have been well looked after. Climate control in the back as well as heated seats, which is a really nice added bonus. USB-C chargers. You've got more USB-C chargers inside there in the centre console. Again, ambient lighting in the back. Your M Sport seat belts with the stripes. Centre armrest there for your passengers at the back. Isofix covers. So yeah, this car has literally got everything. Plenty of room as well in the boot. Electric boot with a boot liner as well. So that's nice, keep everything nice and clean and tidy. And then just shuts with the click of a button. As you can see, it's in really beautiful condition. And I'm sure it will be one that's not with us for too long because it's in the right spec, the right colour. And yeah, it's been absolutely babied and well looked after. So if you do have any more questions or you'd like a finance quote at 9.9% APR, you can give us a call, go onto our website, click the WhatsApp button, or send us an email at info@kingsbridgeautos.co.uk.